Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, y'all have been begging me to drop this video, like begging. Today, we are going to be talking about Vanilla Romance, the brand new one from Bath & Body Works, and we're going to do some comparisons as well. Before we get too much into it, y'all, of course today's lip look is by me. We just restocked over at Banger Beauty by Mary. Birthday suit. Yep, just restocked her. She is like the perfect nude. Legit perfect. Looks great on every skin tone. Goes great with other lip colors as well as lip liner. It's a great one, y'all. And she smells like birthday cake. Yeah. Just restocked, first time in a long time that we finally restocked her. Birthday suit, get you some, girl, get you some. All right, let's hop into this video. Y'all, this has been a long awaited scent. There has been so much talking in the air and all over a buzz all over social media in regards to this scent. And I am gonna break it down and give you the real truth today. The real tea, baby, the real tea. All right. Vanilla Romance. Let's talk about her. First of all, this packaging is cute, y'all. I kind of matched today. Not quite, but kind of. It is. I do love the packaging. Scent notes are fresh cardamom, vanilla absolute, and captivating woods. I did spray some on my hand. It does seem like it has a higher oil concentrate in this one because look at the shine on my hand. Yeah. Y'all, I definitely get heavy notes of cardamom in here. There's also a smokiness to it. You definitely get almost like a vanilla liqueur note as well. It is absolutely beautiful. Very mature, very sexy, vanilla heavy. I love this scent. Absolutely love it. Definitely a heavy one. I don't know if I would wear it in the heat of summer like y'all. It's freaking 90 degrees here today, okay? And I don't think I'd be wearing this in the heat, but come fall, oh, baby. This, wearing it out, like out with the girls, sitting by the bonfire. Oh, yes, fall is my season. I love me some fall. This will definitely be in my rotation. Yes. It is smoky, sexy, sweet, cardamom spicy. I love it. Absolutely love it. Let's dive into the comparisons because I know that's what you're here for. That's what you're here for, honey, ain't it? Ain't it? Yeah, I know. First one I'm going to compare it to because I have seen this quite a bit is Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. Yep, she was dropped by Bath & Body Works last fall. Scent notes are warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liqueur. I do love this scent, but this is much lighter in comparison to Vanilla Romance here. This actually has more creaminess to it. Definitely more like, you definitely get those notes of caramel. They don't list caramel on here, but I definitely pick it up like almost like a burnt caramel brulee type of a note. Definitely get those dark fruits in here as well. There's nothing fruity about this. So are these similar? No. The answer is no. I've also seen a lot of comparisons to replicas by the fireplace. I have the dossier version, which they call Woody Chestnut. Scent notes are pink pepper, orange blossom, cloves, chestnut, guaiac wood, cade wood, vanilla, Peru balsam, and cedar wood. I love this scent. I've loved this scent for a very, very long time. This is definitely in my rotation in the cooler, especially winter months. The only thing is by the fireplace, you definitely get a lot of wood notes, like a lot of wood notes. Thank God I don't pick up a lot of that Peru balsam, but I do definitely get orange blossom. I get cloves, chestnut, a lot of the wood. And the vanilla is kind of more of a background note. Definitely gives you off literally like sitting by a fireplace. But in comparison to Vanilla Romance, No, oh my God, every time I smell my hand. No, there is definitely a big difference. This almost comes across a lot sweeter in comparison to By the Fireplace. It definitely different, 100% different. I've also seen a ton of comparisons to Viva Vanilla, the one from the luxury line that is also coming back this fall. Scent notes are rich plum, glowing amber, and addictive vanilla. I do love this scent. When they bring this whole line out for this fall, I am definitely getting everything that comes in this, like the body cream, the body lotion, the body wash. This is fire. Oh, but in comparison to Vanilla Romance, no, there's almost a smokiness in here that is not in Viva Vanilla. Viva Vanilla actually comes across sweeter in a lot of ways. And there's also more spiciness in here from the cardamom that I don't get as much in here. Are they close? Would they layer beautifully? Hell yes. Hell yes, they would layer beautifully. So I definitely plan on layering some of this with this for sure, for sure. But they're not the same, sis. They're not. Another one. Y'all, look how dark my bottle is of Vanilla 28. Look how dark. She's been sitting there, aging beautifully on my shelf. I freaking love this scent. Kayali's Vanilla 28 has scent notes of vanilla orchid, jasmine, brown sugar, tonka bean, amber, musk, and patchouli. It's so good, y'all. It really is. But it is nothing, in my mind, like Vanilla Romance. In ways, I know this is going to sound like a shocker, I think I prefer this over Kayali's Vanilla 28. Yes, there is a spicy quality about this that I don't quite get from Vanilla 28. And in ways, it almost comes across the teeniest bit sweeter, which I love. Yes, absolutely, 100%. Now, the comparison that everybody and their brother has been talking about. Bonfire Bash, right? Bonfire Bash. Bonfire Bash has scent notes of bourbon vanilla, sandalwood, and cashmere musk. Now, I did spray Bonfire Bash here. We have Vanilla Romance here. Let me smell Bonfire Bash. I'm gonna even want to put a little more on because I need it. This is an older bottle, y'all. Look how much older my bottle is. Hell yeah. I love Bonfire Bash, but Bonfire Bash, in my opinion, in comparison to Vanilla Romance, no, these are not the same, y'all. They're not. I'm sorry. I know a lot of y'all think it is. And that's fine. If you want to say it's Bonfire Bash, you do you, boo. But to my sniffer, they are not the same. No, there is definitely a sweetness about Vanilla Romance that is in here, and especially those cardamom notes that are in Vanilla Romance, that is not here in Bonfire Bash. It's just not, babe. It's not. There's almost like a deeper smokiness about Bonfire Bash as well, which I know is from that sandalwood. Y'all know that in addition to being a vanilla hoe, I'm a sandalwood hoe. If you've been watching me for any length of time, you know that by now. And I definitely get sandalwood notes in here as well. There ain't sandalwood in here. There's woody notes, but it's not sandalwood. And there's also a distinct sweetness from the cardamom and the vanilla in here that you do not get in Bonfire Bash. Bonfire Bash is much smokier in comparison. Definitely in ways leans more masculine even in comparison than Vanilla Romance. Vanilla Romance is not like anything else we have seen from Bath & Body Works. That is my statement. That is what I'm standing on. I'm standing on business today, y'all. And this is not Bonfire Bash. That's just my opinion. It's my opinion. This definitely is sweeter. I love it. The cardamom in here is beautiful. A lot of people were comparing it as well to Together Weather. However, Together Weather does not have the smoky factor and that deeper, richer factor that Vanilla Romance does. In fact, Together Weather is actually much sweeter. The cardamom is much heavier in Together Weather, so that comes across even sweeter, in my opinion, than Vanilla Romance. But Vanilla Romance, in comparison to Bonfire Bash, this is much sweeter. So yeah, everyone, that is my final thoughts on Vanilla Romance versus Bonfire Bash. I definitely want the perfume in this one. I'm super excited about this for fall. I'm going to need the body cream. I'm going to need all of it, baby. All of it, all of it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Feel free to disagree with me. That's all right. Your girl won't get offended. I got some thick skin up in here, all right? Yeah. But, yeah, let me know what you guys thought. And make sure you head over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some birthday suit. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I had a lot of people begging me to bring that back, so I'm glad it's back in stock. And, yeah. And we're at my favorite part. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.